Good day to good people. It's my honor to share with you the celebration of birth of Halsa. That's where you hear about human race as one, about human rights. That's something that currently my nation, my people are fighting with in Ukraine. My name is Maria Vanger and I'm the Ukrainian National. I'm originally from Ukraine. As you all know and heard the news, currently there is a very terrible invasion from Russia. It's not an invasion, it's a war. They are fighting against Ukrainians. They are trying to eradicate their religion, the culture. It's very painful for us. I represent the Ukrainian National Women League of America. It's the oldest organization in America. We're almost 100 years old, and we are very pleased to be invited here right now, today, for this parade, and ask for your support, for your help. If you would like to open your hearts, as many have been doing this already at the United Sikhs at the corner today, we are collecting the resources for Ukrainians to get the medical supplies, the internal fixators for shattered bones, and bones vacuum systems to treat patients at the hospitals. This is something that we need as soon as possible. And our organization will deeply appreciate all the support we can get from this organization and your rich community. Thank you so much for Hardayal Singh from the United States for inviting us here, and all the men and women of this community. Thank you. Have a nice day.